have to regret that.
I swear.
We have to. So good to see you guys. I think we should.
Guys, and welcome back to Pat King. Rema just reunited with his secondary school classmate. Take a look at this girl right here. Isn't she pretty? And yes, that was Rema's crush in secondary school. Oh no, I'm joking, but I think he really liked all of the girls so much. So he went back to Benin City and also back to where he could find almost all his classmates while he was still in secondary school. Rema is a very good and generous, also a kind person, and he's so natural. Come to think of why he would want to go back to reunite with his friends that he has left them almost a decade right now. He's very popular. Everyone in the country, continents, even planet Earth knows about Rema, and Rema is a very big artist, but yes, he stooped too low, or he still went back humbly to meet his people, his number one fans, right? So this is so natural and so beautiful, so emotional to watch, and he just met his people with happiness. All good, all joy. I hope you enjoy the rest of the clip. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow us on our Facebook page, and stay tuned and updated for our future videos. Thank you.
See, we have to regret that.
I swear.
We have to. So good to see you guys. I think we should.